Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And what about you?
I'm great, thank you. How do I pronounce your name?
It's Anuj.
I know, it's nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Northeast India. And what about you?
I'm from South Africa. My name is Bronwyn. I will type it how you pronounce it, Bronwyn.
Okay, Bronwyn.
Yeah. And how long have you been on Cambly for?
It's not so long. I've been here, it's around 2 months. Yes,
Mm,
I joined cambly in the late January. Yes,
mm.
and yes, and I think it's
And what do
gonna
you think
be,
of it so far?
I mean, in which sense are you asking?
Like, do you
For
think you are yeah, do you think you are improving? Do you enjoy Cambly? Is it what you expected?
Yes, I enjoy cambly, but sometimes I do not because of some tutors. And I also wrote you. Maybe you didn't see me in my message actually. I also wrote you, and
Yeah, what did you write? Oh, a type of message.
yes, did you see?
Okay. I don't check my messages often, but I'll look at it now. Oh, this
Uh,
was yesterday. Yeah, I do not check my messages, but it says student, and I've got a YouTube channel. I make videos about English vocabulary and conversation. I talk with Cami tutors and upload this conversation on my channel. Okay, that is very interesting. Okay, so what do you want to upload onto your channel for
read it,
today?
read it,
What do you want to focus on?
read it. The message completely.
Yeah, I've read it completely. But so what specific topics and vocabularies would you like to upload for today?
Okay, so generally I just try to have a casual conversation with tutors. Okay,
Yes.
but yeah, but today I would like to have a topic, and I want you to give me some travel related vocabularies.
Okay. Okay, so are
Yes.
you traveling soon or not?
No planning at this time, but
Okay.
but
Okay.
actually
So,
I'm
yeah.
keen to travel. That's why.
Okay. So, have you traveled before?
Yes, I have, but not
Okay. Where have
internationally.
you? Okay.
Just in
Okay. That's yeah.
just within my state. But
Okay. I,
I have planned to travel, but generally I'm not traveling these days.
okay. So, I think the main like vocabulary words we could go is or use is visa process. So you need to understand the visa process of the country that you're going to. Um, yeah,
Yes.
like booking a flight, I think is easy. Booking a flight is maybe too easy, but it's a phrase. Um, Finding accommodation,
Ah, right.
right? Finding accommodation, creating a budget is a good one, and probably. Do you know what jet lag means?
Okay, write it. Which word?
Yeah, I will. Jet lag. Um,
I'm not getting
Jet
which word
lag.
are you saying?
Yes,
Okay,
jet
jet
lag.
lag. I think
Yes. So
I
to
know, but I'm not able to recall.
explain it. So jet lag is when you fly from one time zone, so
I
from
got
one
it. I got
time
it.
zone to another time zone. So you are out of balance, like your sleep is mixed up because you are either too far ahead in time or you behind in time. So your sleep schedule
Right.
is messed up. So then you either lose a day or gain a day, and you have to just balance that out again.
So basically you are out of your schedule. your common
You're
schedule.
out of your schedule. So either you need to stay awake longer to fit in with the timeline or the time zone, or you need to go to bed earlier, even though you are not tired, to get into the new country's time.
Right.
Yeah. And they
Okay,
give
well,
you public transportation. Yeah. Sorry, tell me
tell me
what?
one thing. Tell me one thing that do you allow the conversation to upload on the channel? Can I do it?
Um, yes, you can if you block out my name at the top. Yeah, but that's fine. What is your YouTube
Okay.
channel's name?
It's experience with Anuj.
Okay, and what made you want to do this?
All right. So actually, I've been learning this language. So I also thought that if I'm learning this language and I like teaching, okay, so I like to
Okay.
teach something. So I thought let's
Mhm.
create a platform where I can share my knowledge to others, and that's why.
Yeah.
And you know
Okay.
that
Yeah, that is.
especially for language learners, whether you are a
Mm,
learner of any language, conversation is crucial for everyone,
definitely.
right?
Definitely.
Yeah,
Mm.
so that's why I thought that if I talk with tutors, especially with native tutors, and if I upload this video on my channel, my viewers can watch them and they can improve their English too. That's why.
Yeah, definitely. That is very, that's a very forward thinking process that you have. Like it is very helpful. Yeah, okay. And so you want to do traveling information. Is that because you like traveling or you want your subscribers to learn? Are you going through different lessons?
So it's working like a coin, and every coin has two aspects. So
Mm,
the first one that they can learn vocabularies, they can improve their vocabularies, travel related
mm,
vocabularies. And on the other hand, if they travel, these vocabularies can help them.
mm. Yeah,
Okay,
definitely. Okay, yeah. So visa
that's
process, booking a flight, finding accommodation, creating a budget. Was there anything else that you think is
and
important?
you said
Mhm.
jet lag. I got it.
Jet lag, yeah,
And
and time zone.
there's a very
Mm,
good word, itinerary. Itinerary.
that's yeah, itinerary. Good. Itinerary. Itinerary is great if you are making an itinerary, creating a budget, like planning. Yeah.